Okay, this is homework for Thursday, March 31st, last day of the month. You're doing page 86 in your functions book, number 1 through 2. You should have already completed it, and you're just here to check your answers. Okay, number 1 is talking about Becky and Olga, and it's asking you who's going to save $1,000 first. So with Becky, has $100, and she saves $10 every week. You should have the skill to write an equation just from reading that. You should know that you could say that she has $10 a week. Okay, so that's my slope because it's every week. So this is $10 per week. And she already has $100. Okay, so that could be my equation for Becky. Now for Olga, I need to do a slope triangle. And I'm going to go from here to here. And to count my run, I noticed that from here to here is counting by 10. So this would be 10. And now my y-axis is counting by 50s. Because I started here and thought, okay, 50, 100, 150, 200, 250. So if it's counting by 50s, it goes 50, 100, 150, 200 is my rise. And so then I need to do 200 divided by 10 equals 20. Okay, so Olga's equation is y equals 20x plus, and I look where my line is crossing the y-axis, it's 50 at 100. Okay, so already you should be able to answer this question, who will have 1,000 first? Because they're both starting with $100. But then Olga is saving $20 a week, while Becky's only saving $10 a week. So Olga is obviously going to get there faster, but I'm going to show you real quick how I could check that with my equation. So I'm going to plug $1,000 into the y, because that's the money, and solve for x, which is the weeks. And I'm going to subtract 100 on both sides. End up with 900 equals 10x. Divide by 10 on both sides. And I get 90 equals x. So it would take Becky 90 weeks to save $1,000. And let's do that for Olga. Subtract 100. I end up with 900 equals 20x. Divide by 20. And I end up with 45. Okay, so it would take Olga 45 weeks to collect the money. So obviously Olga's going to have it first. Okay, number 2, assume the rates below will remain constant. Who will win the pie eating contest and why? So here's Joe on the graph, and so we have to do a slope triangle to figure out how many hot dogs he's eating per minute. So I'm going to go here to here, and it's going over 1, and then my y-axis is also counting by 1s. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. And rise divided by run gives me a slope of 4. So Joe is y equals 4x. And then Donna is eating has eaten 11 pies in 2.5 minutes. Okay, so that's giving me a ratio of 11 pies in 2.5 minutes. But I want to know how many she can eat in 1 minute. So I divide them. 11 divided by 2.5, and I get 4.4. So her equation is y equals 4.4x. Okay, so when it asks us who will win and why, it's going to be Donna because she's eating more more pies per minute. She can eat 4.4 pies per minute. And Joe can only eat 4 pies per minute. So Donna will win because she eats more pies per minute. Okay, so make sure you show all your work and that you have this explanation of why Donna will win. And I will see you tomorrow.